Hi, my name is Neil Good. I'm with the Good Law Group, and today I'm going to be talking about whether Social Security benefits can be garnished. So generally, we'll talk about three different kinds, and we'll kind of group them into one, but there's Social Security disability insurance benefits, there's supplemental security income, and then there's Social Security retirement. Generally speaking, Social Security benefits cannot be garnished. However, there's always exceptions. So the first exception that applies to most of those benefits is if you owe the government taxes. So if you owe the government taxes, they can come after you for up to 15% of your Social Security to get the taxes paid back. What isn't garnishable is if you have a debt to somebody and they have a judgment against you, they can't go after you for the money for the judgment. That being said, if there's a judgment against you in a divorce for child support or back maintenance, then you can be garnished, and that is up to 45 to 60%. So it just depends how much you owe. I recently had this happen with a friend of mine. So what happened to her was her ex-husband never paid child support, never paid maintenance. And I'm talking about for 18 years. And he probably owed her over $150,000 of back child support. So what she did is she hired a lawyer. They went into the divorce court. They got a judgment for the total amount that was owed. And then they served that on the Social Security Administration, and they started withholding 50% of this gentleman's Social Security. That applies to Social Security retirement and Social Security disability, probably not the supplemental security income. The other time that they can garnish your Social Security is if you have outstanding student loans or if you owe a government agency. So those two things, they kind of group together. So if you have a student loan that you've defaulted on and you're receiving Social Security retirement or disability, they can garnish that. However, there's another rule. If you're receiving Social Security disability, in some situations, you can apply to have your student loan forgiven. So none of these things are very simple. But if you have any questions, you can call us for assistance with your Social Security disability case, or if somebody's trying to garnish your Social Security, we can be reached at the phone number on the screen below. Thank you.